the phenomenon of quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon famously dubbed spooky action at a distance, involves two particles, such as photons or electrons, instantaneously influencing each other no matter how far apart they are. This phenomenon is similar to that of twins, who are born together and have a special way of communicating with each other. Albert Einstein found the concept of quantum entanglement troubling because it violated the principle of locality, which states that objects are only directly influenced by their immediate surroundings. Theoretical work by John Stuart Bell in the 1960s and later experiments by other scientists in the 70s and 80s proved Einstein wrong. A key to their confirmation involved observing entangled particles from different angles. If Mark decided to look at his ball from the side of the box, the ball would revert back to being in a state of superposition and have a 50% chance of being yellow and a 50% chance of being red. The choice of the viewing angle changed the outcome of the experiment, so the information about color does not lie within one ball but rather in the connection between the balls. Entanglement happens at subatomic and atomic levels, scales much smaller than can be seen with a standard microscope. Particles can become entangled by interacting directly, such as through electromagnetic forces. Entanglement can occur during the process of particle creation, where particles are produced as entangled pairs, or in the lab, where scientists use lasers, beam splitters, and other quantum operations to entangle particles like photons, atoms, and even molecules. Chinese scientists led by Pan Jianwei achieved a groundbreaking feat by creating quantum entanglement using a satellite in orbit. Within the Micius satellite, a laser directed at a light-altering crystal produced an astounding rate of 5.9 million entangled photon pairs per second. When the scientists measured the states of the photons, they were correlated far more than what random chance would predict, confirming that they had remained entangled over unprecedented distances. Quantum entanglement, initially a theoretical concept in quantum physics, is now believed to occur throughout nature. It could explain why plants are efficient at converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, where chlorophyll molecules absorb light particles called photons. This shared energy, known as an exciton, is distributed among chlorophyll molecules, finding the most efficient path to the plant's reaction center. Quantum entanglement also helps explain the extraordinary properties of superconductors, materials that exhibit no electrical resistance. In conventional conductors like copper, electrons encounter resistance as they collide with atoms and other electrons, leading to energy loss. Superconductors allow electricity to flow without any energy loss, creating a strong magnetic field around them. This magnetic field can interact with external magnets, such as those in a magnetic levitating train, creating a powerful repulsive force that causes the train to levitate above the tracks. Unlocking the secret to superconductors operating at room temperature would reshape our world in ways that are hard to imagine. Eliminating energy loss in power lines could result in unprecedented efficiency. The advent of ultra-high-speed supercomputers could execute unthinkable calculations, significantly accelerating progress in artificial intelligence and scientific research. Quantum research, particularly the development of new quantum technologies, is a crucial area of focus for scientists. The more things we can entangle and prevent from causing disturbance in the outside world, the more we succeed. Another fascinating quantum phenomenon that puzzles scientists is the double-slit experiment, where light particles act differently depending on whether they're being observed. When not being watched, they act like waves, while when being observed, they behave like particles. This suggests that the mere act of observing can alter their behavior. Nouriel Gino Yazdinian.